So now what if we have a mix of radicals and exponents to combine? Well, that's easy. We can use all of our exponent rules to do so. So we're going to use the properties of exponents to combine all of these bases into one. And we want to be able to find the final exponent. So if we look at the problem, right, it wants to know the square root of x to the fifth over x squared equals x to what power? So what we're being asked to do here is combine everything and then just figure out what the final exponent would be. So the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite all of my radicals so they're exponents. So, right, this is a square root that has an invisible index of 2. So in the bottom I have x squared. And in the top I have x to the fifth, and it's a square root, so I'm going to divide the 5 by 2. So now when we divide exponents, you subtract the exponents, right? So when we're dividing with the bases, you subtract the exponents. So we're going to get x to the 5 over 2 minus 2 equals x to the a power. That looks like a 9 up there. Let's fix that. So again, I'm going to go off to the side and do my subtraction. And I'm going to put the 2 over 1 so it looks like a fraction. So my common denominator here is going to be a 2. So I would have to multiply 1 by 2. So 2 by 2 is 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1, so I'm going to get 1/2 here. So I get x to the 1/2 is equal to x to the a. So since the bases are the same, the exponents have to be equal. So 1/2 is equal to a. There we go. Let's do another one that combines some different exponent rules. So here the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my 2 power into that 4/3. So remember that means I'm going to multiply 4 over 3 by 2. And technically that's a 2 over 1. And then over here, I'm going to rewrite it so this is a exponent. So I get x squared, but it's a cube root, so it's 2/3. And then again, we're trying to find that a exponent value. So over here, 4 times 2 is 8. So I get 8 over 3. And then I have times x to the 2/3. And when I am multiplying with common bases, I'm going to add the exponents. So I get 8/3 plus 2/3. And they already have a common denominator, which is great. So if I add across, I get 10/3. So if x to the 10/3 is equal to x to the a, well then the power is 10/3. So that's going to be our a value there.